Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are making crispy and juicy Zinger Burger. Let's get started. First we have to make buttermilk. In a bowl take 2.5 cup of milk, add 2.5 tablespoon of vinegar, mix well until it's get thickened and the buttermilk is ready. I'm using chicken breast, you can also use chicken thighs for extra juiciness. Then crack in 2 eggs, season it with 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 2 teaspoon of paprika powder, 2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix everything well, cover and let it marinate for 4 to 5 hours for incredible flavors and keep it tender. For the coating mix, in a bowl take 2 cups of flour, add 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of paprika powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of oregano and 3/4 cup of cornflour. Mix it all together and set it aside. Once the chicken is marinated, add 2 tablespoons of buttermilk mixture into the flour mix to create some crumbs. Take a piece of chicken, coat it in the flour mix, then dip it back in the buttermilk mix and coat it again into the flour mix for that perfect crispy layer. Heat the oil in a pan and carefully add the coated chicken. Fry it until it's golden brown on both sides. Remove the chicken from the oil. While the chicken is frying, let's make spicy mayo. Combine 1 cup of mayo, half teaspoon of black pepper, 3/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well and the spicy mayo is ready. For the assembling, take a toasted burger bun, spread the spicy mayo, add some lettuce, place the zinger piece, cover it with the bun, and there you have it, the crispy and full flavored zinger burger. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!